Hold Ctrl and draw a polygon of 6 sides of size 100 millimeters. Delete the nodes using Shape tool. Press Ctrl Q to convert to curves. Go to Window, Dockers. Fillet. Select these nodes using Shape tool. Enter fillet value 95 millimeters. Click on Apply. Select Freehand tool and draw a perpendicular line from the corner. Hold Ctrl and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to make a copy. Hold the node and place it on right corner. Hold Ctrl and draw a circle. Hold the center and place it on the intersection. Make a copy of circle and increase size by holding Shift until it intersects with the edges of polygon. Draw a curve using 3-point curve tool. Place the pivot point of the curve at the center of circle, hold Ctrl, and rotate to 120 degree. Press right-click to make a copy. Delete these lines. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Change color using Interactive Fill tool. Copy-paste same color and adjust. Select both the objects. Click on Group. Place the pivot point at the center of circle, hold Ctrl, and rotate to 120 degree. Press right-click to make a copy, Ctrl-R to repeat. Remove outline, click on Group.